Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're taking a closer look at the TT Flex Potable Thermal Expansion Tank for water heaters. This is the TT Flex model TTE T21G, featuring a 2.1 gallon capacity and a 3/4 inch MNPT connection, designed to protect your water heater and plumbing system from the damaging effects of thermal expansion. Thermal expansion occurs when water heats up and expands, increasing pressure inside a closed water heating system. Without a proper way to relieve this pressure, your pipes, valves, and water heater can sustain damage over time. The TT Flex expansion tank offers a reliable solution by providing extra space for this expanded water, ensuring the system pressure stays within safe limits. One of the first things you'll notice about the TT Flex tank is its compact and easy-to-install design. Measuring roughly 8 inches by 8 inches by 10.4 inches, this tank is built to fit conveniently into tight spaces, making it ideal for both professional contractors and DIY enthusiasts. The installation process is straightforward, so you can add this protection to your water heater system quickly and without hassle. Constructed with high-quality materials, the tank features a 100% butyl diaphragm and a plastic liner, which effectively separate the system water from the air pre-charge inside the tank. This separation is key for maintaining optimal performance and preventing waterlogging over time. The tank is also coated with an appliance-grade finish that guards against external corrosion and rust, helping to extend the lifespan of the tank itself. The TT Flex expansion tank is rated for a maximum working pressure of 180 psi and can operate safely at temperatures up to 210 degrees Fahrenheit, making it suitable for most residential water heating applications. Its 2.1 gallon capacity is perfectly sized for smaller heating or cooling systems, providing ample room to absorb thermal expansion without taking up excessive space. By installing this expansion tank, you reduce the risk of damage to your plumbing system and appliances, helping extend the life of your water heater and other connected equipment. It also minimizes the wear on pipes, pumps, and valves caused by pressure fluctuations, which can save you money on repairs in the long run. This product weighs about 5.3 pounds, so it's lightweight yet durable enough to handle the demands of your water heating system. TT Flex backs this tank with a 2-year warranty, giving you peace of mind that you're investing in a dependable product. In summary, the TT Flex Potable Thermal Expansion Tank is a high-quality, easy-to-install solution for managing thermal expansion in closed water heating systems. Its compact size, durable construction, and appliance-grade finish make it an excellent choice for protecting your home's plumbing and water heater. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more in-depth reviews and product insights.